I prepared a BMW 750, which got over 20 million views, so I got a car enthusiast who wanted to copy my work. First, let's randomly pick a playful post-2000 BMW 740 and check the car's condition together. Unexpectedly worn out, the seats have lost their elasticity, and the patina is severe. Even the engine compartment is in disrepair, but that doesn't matter. The owner's purpose here is to copy the work. Let's take some time to transform this BMW 740 into the most stunning car in the workshop. First, let's remove the engine to fix the oil burning issue.
This BMW 740, the interior has been completely stripped. Look, the headliner has fallen off. Can the seat leather still be used? Is there any foam left here? You're sitting directly on the frame. For an old car like this, we need to prepare for refurbishment. This car's entire interior is directly copied because I previously prepared a BMW 750. Yacht blue paired with Hermes orange is truly beautiful. Now, let's see if copying will succeed.
Begin cutting the leather. This time, the car owner chose microfiber brightening, which is more cost-effective and also more durable and easier to maintain compared to genuine leather.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.
The peachwood sword is repolished to restore the shine of a new car. The parts are cleaned with an ultrasonic cleaner, neatly arranged, ready for one person to assemble the engine per machine. BMW engine assembly full martial arts teaching. All plastic parts are painted the same paint blue as the interior. A simple cleaning is being done inside the car, and it's about to be loaded.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.